Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough or flow through on my phone on how I make my stories when I'm promoting a challenge group. So here we go. Or we can sit and watch this Bachelor ABC post. All right, so you're going to hit the little camera like you're making a story. And so you have two options. You can always, you have several options. You can always just make your background a picture, right? By just clicking the bottom left and it'll open your photo album. You can also do create, and you can tap different colors. You see the rainbow, I'm tapping the bottom right. And you can, okay, so if you want to do that, and then you hit that, and then voila, that's your background. You can also, here, let me change that. You can also just take a picture, right? And then use the scribble tool. Pick a color at the bottom. Let's say I want the background to be, let's say, hot pink. Then you're going to hold your finger down on the screen for 3 seconds. Boom. And there's your screen. What if you want to add, like I like to add sometimes, are the glittery background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do undo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google. And I'm going to search for that image. So I'm going to do, I did it already. Look, pink glitter leopard, pink. You would just type it in. Pink leopard glitter print wallpaper. Then click images and then just look for it. Look for an image that you like. These are kind of wild. Oh, there's my favorite one. And then from here, I'm going to hold down my finger on the picture, download the image. Okay, now I'm going to go back to here, and now I'm going to add the image. Oopsie. So I'm going to hit the thing. There we go. Add the image. Boom. Now let's say I want to add a picture of Beachbody on Demand. So I would do the same thing, and I would search for Beachbody on Demand. When I'm looking for little pictures to add, I always type PNG. That's what I'm looking for. And then, or you can also just go to Beachbody on Demand and hold your finger down on the images and it'll save it. So there's one I want to use. I'm going to hold it down, save the image, do the same thing. Another thing you can do actually is hit that and hit copy. And then when you get to here, you can paste it. Actually, that might not work. So go to your photo album. So let's just back up. You saved the photo, right? Now you're going to go to your photo album and you're going to find the photo there. Hit the little box on the bottom left. Hit copy photo and then go back to your Instagram and watch. Add sticker. Boom. And then you can move it and pinch in or out. If for some reason it doesn't do that, add sticker, hit the text tool. Like you're going to type something and just tap it and paste it. So you can do that too. Put that in the trash. Okay, now let's say we want to add some text. Here we go. Here's what you get. I like the strong text tool. You don't have to use that. And let's say I want to make it pink. But how about I want a different shade of pink? I'm going to hold down the pink and open up the little rainbow chart and grab that. Awesome. Great. Hit done, move it up. But maybe I want it to stand out more. You can type it again and do like a little shadow boxing. Make a shadow. I don't even know if that's the right word for this. Shadow box. Is that a boxing term? Okay. And you could do that, like a 3D. Maybe that's what I'm saying. Okay. And then another thing. Oh, look, if you want the pink on top, you just move it around. Sometimes I like to add a little something fun behind it. So I hit the scribble tool. And you could do it with this marker at the top now, or that felt tip that has a little bit more of a sheer effect. And I move the brush up. And let's say I want to do like a white background. So I'm going to make sure I tap white. Actually, let's do black. And I'm going to just, look at that. Just mark that. Here's what you get. Great. Hit done. Now you see the little arrow? I'm going to save that so I can save it just like this. Then what I would do is post it. Okay, so I'm not going to post this, but that's what you would do, right? So you would post it. So now this image is saved. Then what I would do, so pretend I posted this. Okay, I'm going to X out of here. Discard. Great. Okay, now let's say I want to do the next story. So I'm going to go into stories again. I'm going to click this, click that. Now it's already there and it's not going to be moved, right? The image is locked. Now let's say I want to add you're going to, superfoods. So again, I'm going to go back to Google and look for different pictures I want to add. Actually, you can even just do a GIF, right? And just do beach body, type in beach body and add, let's see, what else do you get? Superfoods, you get, let me add that. You also get, let's see, I'm going to find Shakeology and Energize. Okay, so you can just pick any of these. You guys know how to do this, right? So you just pick any of these. Oh gosh. Okay, so you do this, and I like fruit punch. And then let's say I want to add Shakeology. I look up everything. And I actually don't like to use the actual brand of it. Like, I just have a little bit curiosity, mystery, even though you see Beachbody there. And then I just move it around. And that's how I do it. Then let's say I want to type in plant-based supplements. And then you can do the same texting tool with this, like I just showed you up top. You can do that. And then you can hit the little arrow button and save that. And so that's where that layering effect, where you keep seeing something get added onto the screen. So that's how I do it. I'm trying to see if there's any other tricks. You can add any picture you want, right? So if I want to go back into my album, and let's say I want to add, here's all my screenshots. Let's say I just want to add that picture of me drinking my shake. So I do that. I tap the little button on the bottom left with the arrow. I'm going to copy the photo, go back to my Instagram, add sticker, and I could do that. I can draw a little frame around myself. With that, let's say I'll make a black frame around myself. You could do all kinds of fun things. So that is how I do my stories. You could even do, even if you don't have a swipe up, you can do, if they swipe up, it's going to be a DM, right? So you can still say swipe up or DM me. And you could just put that in at the bottom, like DM me down here and draw an arrow. I know this is looking messy, but you're getting the gist. Arrow, I type in arrow, or I draw my own arrow. Turn it around, boom, boom. So that hopefully will show you and give you some tips on how to do that. One last thing I want to show you is if, let's say you want to make, how I sometimes make those lists of people's names if they want to join my group. So I'll do this one, take a picture, and I want the screen to be, I don't know, this is a fun peachy color, great. And now I'm going to hold it down. Great, there it is. And now I'm going to take the text tool, and I sometimes like to use the typewriter font in black, let's say, number 1, Tanya B is joining. And then you can set the justification on the 4 lines at the top left. Okay, there. I like left justification. Derek, Barron, and then sometimes I write your name here. If I could type. You can lose a little emoji and you can move it around and all that stuff. So there's that for stories. Have fun making your stories look really cool.